the light in my fridge went out. What you need is you need one of these appliance type light bulbs. So it's 40 watts, and you got to be sure that it can be used for refrigerators. Right here, I got this at Home Depot. It says for refrigerators. The one that burnt out was an incandescent light bulb. This one's an LED. So my bulb is right here, and it even tells me that it's rated for 40 watts. It's not a normal size light bulb. It doesn't say on here, but these are A15, meaning that they are a little bit smaller. All right, so as you can see, old bulb, new bulb, pretty much about the same size. And screw that in. Voila, we have light.